How to watch live football on YouTube TV in the USA. Step number 1. Subscribe to YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website and sign up for a subscription. The base plan includes over 100 channels such as CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, which broadcast various football games. The standard pricing for YouTube TV is $72.99 per month as of 2024. Step number 2. Install YouTube TV on your device. YouTube TV is available on various devices such as smart TV, smartphones, tablets, laptops, and streaming devices like Roku, Chromecast, or Apple TV. Download and install the YouTube TV app from your device's app store. Step number 3. Sign in to your YouTube TV account. Open the YouTube TV app on your device and sign in using your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 4. Navigate to live football games. Use the search function in the YouTube TV app to search for specific football games or browse through the live or sports sections to find ongoing or upcoming matches. You can also find football games in the NFL or college football sections for easy access. Step number 5. Start streaming. Once you've found the game you want to watch, select it and it will begin streaming live on your device. Step number 6. Consider NFL add-ons. Optional. If you want to access additional football content such as out-of-market NFL games, consider subscribing to the NFL Sunday Ticket or NFL Red Zone add-ons available for YouTube TV. NFL Sunday Ticket provides access to out-of-market games every Sunday. NFL Red Zone offers live coverage of touchdowns from all Sunday afternoon NFL games. Step number 7. Enjoy cloud DVR. Optional. YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR storage, allowing you to record football games and watch them later if you cannot watch live.